आर्यन खान से कैसे मुलाकात हुई, the whole audition.
This time I asked for the audition.
I just want to know the reason why you said yes to the role.
It's because of Aryan. We shot for a month and a half and we had a great time. बहुत मजा आया. और फिर उसके बाद हमारे scenes ही नहीं थे फिल्म में. आप कह सकते हो कि we were the bad guys. We were the funny bad guys. I wanted to be an actor the first time I saw Shah Rukh Khan on screen. We get paid to wait. Hey, I'm Arman Khera. You must have seen me in Songs of Paradise and Bads of Bollywood. Please like, share and subscribe for ITV Blink. And stay tuned for an awesome interview.
Hi everyone, I'm Onam Gupta and you're watching ITV Blink. Well, आज हमारे साथ है वो जो हर जगह छाए हुए हैं with his impeccable performance in Bads of Bollywood. सिर्फ यही नहीं, बेबी जॉन एंड सियाडल जैसे प्रोजेक्ट्स में भी उन्होंने अपना कमाल दिखाया. So let's welcome Arman Khera. Hi Arman,
Hello,
how are you?
Onam. I'm good. How are you?
I'm great. Congratulations for the Bads of Bollywood. I just for the success. I just want to know कि how things have been changed for you after this whole thing. कुछ positive changes नजर आ रहे हैं after the whole success, like in terms of work opportunities, in terms of everything.
First off, thank you so much for that lovely introduction. Actually, I'm very happy. I think anytime a project does very well, I'm extra happy because काफी मेहनत लगती है उसमें and a lot of people, a lot of energy goes into those projects. And I believe an extra amount of energy was gone into Bads of Bollywood.
Yeah.
So I'm very, very happy. Work opportunities to aati rehti hain. There's always it's always a good bonus to have after a project releases. But to see कि किसी की मेहनत recognize हो रही है, that is the best. Now आर्यन की हो रही है तो I'm over the moon.
So as yours and the whole cast, and how this project was offered to you, like Aryan Khan से कैसे मुलाकात हुई, the whole audition, like did you had to give the audition? Everything?
Yeah, definitely. I audition for everything I'm in.
Okay.
You know, I think सिर्फ मसाबा के बाद I booked 2 projects जिसमें उन्होंने audition नहीं मांगा. One of them was Songs of Paradise.
Oh, nice.
Which was the film that released just before Bads. So yeah, I auditioned for everything. इसके लिए भी I auditioned, but this time I asked for the audition.
अच्छा.
Because I called Karan Malli, and I said यार कोई audition है, and then he's like यार हाँ एक part तो है आर्यन की series में, and I was like चलो let's do
Done.
it. You know?
So I mean आर्यन से ऐसी ही मुलाकात हुई आपकी, like when you were on board? Yeah, you did.
Yeah,
you
on
were
board.
On board.
उससे पहले तो सिर्फ social media पे मुलाकात हुई है, just scrolling and seeing him.
Yeah.
You know.
So I just want to know the reason why you said yes to the role. Was it like because Shah Rukh Khan का बेटा है Aryan Khan, do you want to work with him in that way, or you love the character? Like the reason? What?
It's because of Aryan only, not because he's Shah Rukh Khan's son, but because I'll be honest, मैं ना social media पे I used to see his photos over the years. और me and my a close friend of mine, Vineet, as well, me and him used to notice that Aryan is meant for something. He's meant for something big.
Big.
So, यार पता नहीं है, उसको ऐसे देख के लगता था कि जब whenever he's ready to come to the industry, I want to work with him. So when I heard that he's finally doing his directorial debut, I told Karan, मैं कहा चाहे मेरा audition select ना हो, I'll do it again and again and again because I want to do this.
And you know ऐसी काफी videos में हम आर्यन को देखते that he's not smiling at all, and like लोगों का assumption है that वो real life में भी smile करते हैं कि नहीं, but
नहीं करते हैं. And he has a beautiful smile. सच में आप उनकी smile, I think that's why he doesn't smile. ताकि you know, नहीं तो everyone will be mesmerized.
Yeah, ये ऐसी videos you know जैसे आती है तो I just want to know, आप लोग भी उनको बोलते थे you know bit smile.
अच्छा वो I think वो premiere video की बात कर रहे हो ना? Yeah, that was nice. तो in that I think Bobby sir ने कहा था, and then everyone started saying Aryan come on smile. उसने हल्की सी smile दी थी, but then yeah I think I don't know, कई लोग कैमरा के सामने are maybe you know maybe they're not as comfortable as other people, but I think that's fine. You know, that's he looks like an action hero. Yeah. You know, when he doesn't smile, it's like I like it. He has a very good look, but when he smiles, it's also
very different.
Yeah. I think you're lucky if you see Aryan smile.
Oh, it's only like behind the scenes.
I think you're lucky if you see him smile. Yeah, exactly, and that's yeah, and I guess that is one of the mysteries of Aryan, like, you know.
Okay, and you know Raghav Jual, who was also the part of the series, in one of the interviews, he expressed his reaction when he first visited Mannat, like Shah Rukh Khan's bungalow. So he was like, I was surprised. I'm sure you also might have visited.
Of course.
And
Of
what
course.
was your reaction?
I went for the screening and I had such a beautiful experience. I think one of the most memorable experiences I've ever had in Mumbai was going to Mannat and meeting Mr. Shah Rukh Khan.
And they say the kind of warmth he gives to
Oh,
the
the
guests.
warmth it overflows. It's like, you know, his aura is as such कि आप कुछ बोल मैं कल एक Halloween party में था. And oh, happy Halloween, by the
Happy
way,
Halloween.
to everyone. So I was at a Halloween party, and someone said to me कि यार I feel like जब मैं शाहरुख से मिलूंगी ना तो I'll cry. And I was like, I can now. पहले लोग बोलते थे तो मुझे समझ नहीं आता था. But उनसे मिलने के बाद मुझे समझ आया कि why people, you know, his aura, his energy, his being is very like I was speechless when I met him. मैं कुछ बोल ही नहीं पाया. सिर्फ एक ही चीज बोली है मैंने, सॉरी सर. और वो भी इसलिए क्योंकि मैं कुछ बोल नहीं पा रहा था. सॉरी सर, I'm speechless.
Yeah,
I don't know what to say. Yeah. So, and I think he gets that a lot. Yeah, so he's used to it. So yeah.
So I mean, the show is based on the dark side, like the raw side of the film industry. And as an outsider, I want to know कुछ ऐसा scene film में आपने देखा हो and you felt कि हाँ यार real life में ऐसा हुआ हो मेरे साथ.
I mean, I think मैं उस level तक, I can't say that मैं उस level तक पहुंचा हूँ कि मुझे 3 फिल्मों का contract मिला है. But I can say कि यार जिस industry में इतने लोग हैं, इतने like politics है, इतना कुछ हो रहा होता है ना, so I feel like definitely there's some truth to what has been shown. I think अपने खुद के experience में one thing that I'll never forget is जब गणपत release हुई थी, तो I had shot for that film in London. Me and Faraz, we shot for a month and a half, and we had a great time. बहुत मजा आया. और फिर उसके बाद हमारे scenes ही नहीं थे film में. So we were like, यार ये क्या हो गया? जब पहली बार हुआ ना, then you feel like, wow, कुछ भी हो सकता है यहाँ पे. So the industry is full of stories, you know.
So what was like the moment? Like what was your reaction and how did you cope with it? Anything?
I left. हम premiere में थे. So I walked up. I got up and I walked away. I don't know. I couldn't see it because I know, and also I felt bad for Faraz. You know, Faraz ने तो बहुत अच्छा काम किया था इसमें. So I was like, यार, I wanted to see Faraz in this, and because I didn't see him and I didn't see myself, so I got a little disheartened. I'm not gonna lie, and I just got up and left. I think even before the interval, I left. So, and that was the first time that I experienced this. पहले भी हो चुका है कि मतलब मेरा एक scene काट दिया उन्होंने या, but that's fine. इस Bads में भी मेरा एक scene काटा हुआ.
काटा है. But ये सारी मतलब.
अगर काफी scenes आपने काट दिए, so I was very it hurt.
So you were shattered.
Yeah, it hurt because I know कि मैंने और फराज ने बहुत, हमारी chemistry on screen बहुत अच्छी थी. We were two, आप कह सकते हो कि we were the bad guys, but we were the funny bad guys, entertaining bad guys. So I wanted to see that on screen, you know, and I feel like that would have opened more doors for me in comedy movies.
Yes.
Which I want to do. I love comedy. You know.
So did you confess this to the director or any editor of the film Ganpat ke?
No, but that's a good question. I think I should have.
Yes.
So guys, please take this as my confession. I felt very bad, but it's okay. I still love you. And Ganpat 2, I better be in there.
So you know, this is all the experiences that we, you know, see in whatever field we are, and I think it's just we have to like.
Of course.
Yes. Of course. And I mean, just in, you know, show se hatke and everything, I just want to know your acting journey. Like, when was that moment in your life जब आपने decide किया, yes, I want to be an actor?
I wanted to be an actor the first time I saw Shah Rukh Khan on screen.
Wow.
I was very young. और जो भी गाने screen, like जो भी movies में गाने आते थे, I used to sing them for my family. I used to dance around, you know. And उस time I was still in India because I was born in Delhi. and I stayed here until I was, I think, 2 years old. Then we left for Canada and then the States and everything. So I've always wanted to be an actor. I think क्या होता है ना कि जब आप इंडियन फैमिलीज में पले बड़े होते हो तो काफ़ी लोगों के opinions ना आपको influence कर लेते हैं कि नहीं यार एक्टर क्या बनना है, like be a doctor.
Especially when you're an outsider.
Yeah, exactly. क्योंकि सबको लगता है कि अच्छा अगर आपके पास connections नहीं है तो आप कुछ नहीं कर पाओगे इंडस्ट्री में, लेकिन काफ़ी लोगों ने इस चीज़ को wrong like prove किया. And I want to prove that wrong as well. I want to inspire people that want to be actors, that love this job, to pursue it. क्योंकि काफ़ी लोग डरते हैं, you know. Even last night, I'm sorry, this Halloween party, I met a lot of people, you know. So yesterday, even someone was saying, yeah, they seemed so afraid to go to Mumbai. They asked me, they're like, what should I do? I want to be an actor, but I don't know, I'm hesitating. I got move to Mumbai. Oh, how can I move to Mumbai? What am I gonna do? I got काम ढूंढो यार. Find your survival, but pursue what you love. Because if you pursue what you love, you'll be happy in the end.
True. And you know, ये जो बातें सुनी जाती है इंडस्ट्री के बारे में, कहीं ना कहीं सच भी होती है.
Of course. नहीं कहीं ना कहीं सच तो होती है. Politics है, you know. And आप देख सकते हो जैसे अब काफ़ी लोग nepotism के बारे में बात करते हैं, but nepotism हर इंडस्ट्री में, you know, अगर आपके फादर एक CEO है किसी कंपनी के, तो आपके चांसेस CEO बनने के काफ़ी ज़्यादा बढ़ जाते हैं, you know, आपको इतनी मेहनत नहीं करनी. But it's okay, it's fun. Competition जितने stakes higher होते हैं, उतना मज़ा आता है.
Yeah, I loved your spirit with that.
Thank you.
And do you remember your first audition and also your first rejection?
My first audition was my first rejection, but I did it to myself. मैंने खुद को ही रिजेक्ट कर दिया. मैंने किसी और को करने नहीं दिया. क्या हुआ कि मैं नया आया था मुंबई में और मैंने 1 महीने से ना अपनी बॉडी बनाने में लाइक पूरा I had abs and everything और मैंने फोटो शूट कराया. So I was like यार I'm ready to be an actor. तो मुझे पहले ऑडिशन का कॉल आया. So I went. और जाने से पहले ना I was like यार मुझे ये मिलेगा and all this. I was very confident. I walked in. जैसे मैं अंदर घुसा I saw कि there's big guys 6'2", you know, and I was like मेरे पास तो सिर्फ abs थे like biceps वगैरह इनके पास थे. They had nice bodies और ये एक मोटर बाइक का एड था. So मैं बैठा, मैंने अपना नाम you know साइन किया, इधर उधर देख के फिर मैं निकल गया. मैंने दिया ही नहीं ऑडिशन.
You were scared.
I got intimidated. फर्स्ट टाइम पहला ऑडिशन था और मुझे लगा कि यार ठीक है, अब ये मुझे तो चूज नहीं करेंगे, इनमें से इनको कोई मिल जाएगा. एंड आई थिंक सारे मेरे से बेटर सूटेड हैं इस रोल के लिए. सो आई लेफ्ट. बट जो मेरा सेकंड ऑडिशन था, आई क्रैक्ड इट. आई गेव इट एंड आई गॉट इट. एंड दैट वाज एवरेस्ट बाय मिस्टर आशुतोष ग्वारिकर.
Nice.
एंड दैट वाज
Turning point.
दैट वाज माय ग्रीन लाइट फ्रॉम द यूनिवर्स.
Yes.
अगर आपने वो एक किताब है द अल्केमिस्ट, उसमें लिखा है कि जब आप अपनी दिल की सुन के किसी और पाथ पे जाते हो, यू नो, जैसे आप ऑलरेडी ये काम कर रहे हो, बट देन आपका दिल कुछ और कह रहा है और उसको सुन के यू टेक अनदर राउट. फिर कई बार क्या होता है, अगर वो रास्ता हमारे लिए सही होता है ना, तो फिर यूनिवर्स आपको एक ग्रीन लाइट देती है किसी भी तरीके, लाइक यू नो किसी भी वे में, या किसी भी वे में. सो मेरी ग्रीन लाइट यही थी. मेरा पहला ऑडिशन, आई गॉट इट. And then I knew that Arman, you have to continue acting.
You will be the actor.
I'm an actor. Yeah.
That's wonderful. And you're also a singer, yeah?
I rap, yes.
Yes. So how do you manage this both, you know, singing वाला career, acting वाला career?
वो अपने आप मैनेज हो जाते हैं, नेचुरली हो जाते हैं, because I love both of them. तो जब एक्टिंग वर्क नहीं होता, जैसे अभी I think मैं बस एक ही फिल्म शूट कर रहा हूँ. इट्स अ तेलुगु फिल्म. So I keep going to Hyderabad for that. But जब मैं हैदराबाद में नहीं होता हूँ तो मैं दिल्ली में म्यूज़िक बना रहा होता हूँ. So वो एक दूसरे को अपने आप वो बैलेंस कर लेते हैं. अब ऐसा नहीं है कि 365 डेज आप सेट पे हो. Even though I would love that. और अगर ऐसा हुआ कि मैं 365 डेज सेट पे हूँ, शूट कर रहा हूँ, तो मैं सेट पे ही गाने लिखना शुरू कर दूँगा.
Wow.
So
That's great.
पहले भी करता था एवरेस्ट के टाइम ना, क्योंकि मेरे पास इतना काम नहीं होता था, मैं पूरे दिन वेट कर रहा होता था. You know,
this is the toughest
अपने-
part of being an
हाँ,
actor, na?
we get paid to wait. We don't get paid for acting.
And that's I mean that is what it is. Like you chose the profession, you have to like sometimes.
Exactly.
So
Yeah.
so coming back to this Bads of Bollywood, I just want to know कि of course the show is trending, अभी भी trend कर रहा है हर जगह, but हाल ही में समीर वानखेड़े ने जो NCPA के डायरेक्टर है उन्होंने एक defamation केस फाइल किया था against the show over a drug scene.
Yeah.
And like आपका क्या take है इस पे, like do you think the whole matter just blown out of proportion or
I think so.
you think?
I think कि यार comedy, I think आर्यन ने भी ये बात बोली है कि one of the rules of comedy is कि आप खुद का
मजाक।
अगर कोई आपका मजाक उड़ा रहा है तो आप भी उस चीज पे हंसो, like and I think it's fair. I think अगर comedy healthy है तो it's better. And healthy comedy is in which everyone can take a joke. अब
Yes.
अगर शो में हम सिर्फ समीर सर को टारगेट कर रहे होते, फिर मैं कहता कि शायद थोड़ा हाँ ज्यादा हो गया, बट यार इस शो में तो सबका
सबके
मजाक
बारे में
उड़ाया हुआ है.
Exactly.
आर्यन ने तो खुद अपना मजाक उड़ाया उसमें, जो सीन में जब शनाया
Yes.
जब महीप जी बोलती हैं शनाया को कि
Smile a bit.
smile यार, don't be like Aryan. So I think it's fun and that's healthy. That's healthy comedy. जिसमें सबका मजाक उड़ाया जाता है और किसी को nobody should feel left out.
True.
So
It is. And काल्की का sequel भी आ रहा है. I think just audience want to know, will you be part of it?
यार सच बताओ, मुझे तो इंटरव्यूज में पता चला कि कल्कि का सीक्वल आ रहा है.
You weren't aware about it?
I wasn't aware. Actually मेरा role इतना it was not a very significant role. I think they can get other people for that role as well, but that was a fun experience. When I did Kalki, I just went for a one-day shoot and I had amazing South Indian food.
Wow.
So I was happy.
You were happy?
I was satisfied.
Sad.
But yeah, I would love it if you guys call me for Kalki 2. I'll be there.
So cause हम बात कर रहे हैं इस बारे में, तो दीपिका पादुकोण का भी अभी कुछ आया था that she is not the part of the film anymore due to 8-hour shift demand and other expectations. तो आपने जब पढ़ा इस बारे में या अगर आपको पता चला हो तो क्या reaction?
ये information भी मुझे interviews में पता चला. But I guess yeah, that's to each his own, to each her own in this case. मेरा तो यही मानना है कि यार आप जैसे काम करना चाहो, आप जैसे comfortable हो, बस just do it. It's fine.
Yeah, because she came up and speak कि like most actors also demand for 8-hour shift, तो as a woman if she demanded तो उसमें
Yeah, I mean I didn't know that this was the case.
one of the reasons.
This was one of the cases. Yeah, to be very honest, I feel like she's also at a point in her life where she's comfortable in her career and she wants to stay comfortable. And I don't blame her for that. That's fine. I mean, I'm sure that everybody wants to see her in Kalki too. So I do pray that she changes her mind or she gets what she's demanding or asking for rather. Sorry, not demanding.
Do you think this highlights somewhere gender disparity or something like that in films?
I probably am not the best person to comment on that. Why? Because I am not very familiar with the case.
Okay.
If I was more familiar, then maybe I would have. Just with the Sameer thing, I'm familiar. So I can say, ki, please, Sameer ji, just chill. Like, let's take a joke. Like.
Okay. Not with this. Okay. And apart from Bads of Bollywood, we have seen you in like Baby John, Citadel, Honey Bunny, and Kalki and Masaba Masaba. Like is stage पे like.
Wow, I've done some projects. Huh?
Like I just want to know, are you happy with the work you have done, or like वो एक और ambition है कि I want to bag such more different roles or bigger parts or something like that?
I'm happy to be a working actor.
Yes.
I'm happy that this is my career, this is what makes me money, and this is what makes the people around me happy. क्योंकि जब वो मुझे स्क्रीन पे देखते हैं, even if it's for 1 minute, वो जो खुशी होती है ना, जैसे कल्कि में, you know how I got so many photos, I got so many videos from the theater.
Yes, yes.
क्योंकि किसी ने expect नहीं किया था. मुझे भी नहीं पता था कि मैं कल्कि में हूँ.
I also loved your performance.
Thank you.
Yeah.
मुझे भी नहीं पता था, पता है? Until people started sending me उस टाइम पे मैं काफ़ी प्रोजेक्ट शूट कर रहा था, तो ये जैसे वन डे का शूट आया था हैदराबाद में, सो आई वेंट फॉर इट। और उन्होंने कल्कि नहीं लिखा था स्क्रिप्ट पे, प्रोजेक्ट के लिखा हुआ था, सो आई डिडंट नो। व्हेन कल्कि रिलीज्ड एंड आई सॉ कि यार लोग मुझे फोटोज भेज रहे हैं, कौन सी मूवी है, I was like, oh my God, I'm in Kalki. So I was so happy. And I was even happier to see people happy. My friends and family, they were just like, यार मान तूने बताया नहीं यार. You know, तो सीटी बजा रहे थे थिएटर में, मैंने कहा वाह यार, this is awesome. So I love being a working actor. I missed my flight, पता है? I'll tell you a story. 2-3 days ago, I missed my flight to Amritsar. I was going to visit my family. I missed my flight. And then I caught the next flight, but it was not to Amritsar, it was to Jalandhar. Guess who I met?
Who?
On the flight? Soda Wala.
Wow.
Mr. Manish Chaudhary. I did my first project with Mr. Chaudhary, Everest. He was he was going to be my father-in-law in that series. And in this, and we are together in Bads, you know. So I saw him and we talked on the plane. And you know, I didn't know this, but he's done 45 films.
Wow.
You know?
Yes.
He's not all over the place. He's not like a big, you know, celebrity.
No.
I mean, for me, he is.
Yes,
and I'm
yes.
sure for a lot of people that
Yes.
love cinema, he's a celebrity.
Of course, Bads of Bollywood में amazing
क्या
काम
काम
किया
किया
उन्होंने. True.
But the truth is that he's happy being a working actor. मतलब मैं इतना खुश था ना सुन के कि he's done 45 films and he's happy. He's a happy guy. So I really love and respect that.
Such actors.
Yeah, if you do what you love and you are happy.
Yeah.
I mean, and you find the happiness within that. So I'm happy. I'm happy and I'm lucky. I feel lucky to be a working actor because I'm doing what I love.
Arman, just before wrapping up, एक छोटा सा गेम है आपके हमारे पास. Like
Let's do this.
who is more likely to but Bads of Bollywood auditions. So I'll start with the game. कि हमें पता चले कि सेट पे आपके हिसाब से कौन ऐसा है कौन वैसा है, so that we get that a bit. So I'll ask. So who was more likely to forget their lines on set? If you could tell.
Maybe I shouldn't say.
Why?
I shouldn't say this. Actually, I think it was Bobby sir.
Bobby.
But that's fine because Bobby sir has so much going on. Na? He's working on so many things कि I can expect कि हाँ चलो, because एक दो बार उन्होंने he forgot his lines, but it was सबको everyone understood. Everyone was like it's okay sir.
Yeah.
आप बॉबी सर हो. You know,
आपका भूलना बनता है.
आपका हाँ मतलब आप इसके बाद भी कहीं जा रहे होंगे शूट के लिए, so it's fine, it's okay.
कौन था जो ज्यादातर शूट के दौरान लेट आता था?
मैं. अरमान खेड़ा. यार मेरा टाइम के साथ ना it's not a.
But आज तो वो पंचुअल.
हाँ, today I was punctual.
I
think
don't
interviews के लिए actually one interview, oh my god, I was late 2 hours. That was very bad.
It happens when you're living in Delhi, so.
Yeah, actually, thank you so much. I'm so sorry. वो भी दिवाली के time.
Oh yeah, that though for sure it happens. And who was more likely to give the best one-liners off camera? I think I know that.
Oh, best one-liners off camera. Who do you think?
I think you should tell. Maybe Raghav.
Raghav though, yeah, naturally, but I didn't work enough
Okay.
in the same room as him to know. But I think Aryan had the best one-liners.
Oh wow.
Yeah. Surprisingly, sometimes he'd say something and oh wow, like you know.
Yeah, nice.
Aryan is he's very intelligent, and you can see in the series.
He's like his dad, जो humor है उनका.
He's a genius. He's a genius.
And who was more likely to prank the director? Aryan.
Prank the director?
Aryan.
पता नहीं यार शायद. शायद राघव. पता नहीं.
Okay.
I think everyone was afraid to prank Aryan.
Oh really?
I think Aryan was the one pranking everyone else.
Okay. And कौन था ऐसा जो set पे usually सबका favorite था?
Oh. Everyone's favorite on set. Aryan ही था यार.
Oh. 3 questions all Aryan.
All Aryan. Aryan was. This project is Aryan.
And who was more likely to get emotional during a scene? Kuch, if you could tell
Most
us.
likely to get emotional. While watching the scene happen or while being in the scene?
Both.
Both.
Yeah.
I think me.
You?
It's probably the most emotional. Being on this set, being a part of the Red Chillies team, being directed by Aryan. It was, I couldn't help but be emotional.
Emotional.
And I think that's the same with everyone. I think I speak for everyone when I say this. Everyone was very, very happy, very grateful to be a part of this.
Oh.
So I think all of us were emotional to some degree.
Yes, and we all like could see that during the screening as well. And I just want to know, before like wrapping up, Arman, कुछ आपके upcoming projects that you can share with your fans that we can know.
Actually, it's a surprise.
Surprise.
जैसे कल की surprise था, Bads भी surprise था. Nobody knew that I was going to be in that. So I like to,
do that. Like you want to keep it like a
Yeah, I
surprise.
like to keep it low key.
End में you'll get that, give us that dhamaka.
Yeah, exactly. और एक दिन तो मैं ऐसा धमाका दूंगा ना.
Nobody will know.
And everyone will be, I'm sure everyone will be happy to see that.
Of course.
dhamaka.
Yes, we will. And just thank you so much for
Thank you.
joining with us. I think it was such a lovely interaction.
Thank you.
Want to like wish you all the best आपके upcoming projects के लिए. And thank you for watching.